Don't get confused, don't get confused, don't get confused. I'm just a man. All these things I'm doing is stop me doing these things. It's God doing these things by working through me. But if I didn't have God, then what could I do? Then what could I do? I couldn't do nothing. I would be lost and confused. I would be lost and confused without God helping me. For without God, then what could I do? For without God, then what could I do? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. So don't get confused. So don't get confused. So don't get confused. It's not me doing these amazing things. It's God doing these amazing things by working through me. So don't praise me, praise Him, because He is the one doing these things. He is the one who gave me the strength to rise up every morning and do these things. So don't get confused. So don't get confused. It's God doing these things. So don't get confused. It's God doing these things. So don't get confused. Don't get it confused.